everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna share a new project. I know it's been a long time that I have shared any project, but actually I was working on my website and few scrapbooks and explosion boxes. So this is the scrapbook which I've just finished and I thought of sharing its view with you guys. So this is a 12 by 12 scrapbook with 11.5 by 11 1 by a quarter inches of sheets inside. So this is the cover. This is a beautiful floral pattern paper which I have used from my own collection, and this is a cotton trim. This is a purple binding which I've used for the hidden hinge binding by Kathy Orta. And the first page is having a gatefold style. This is a vertical gatefold style and it has got a satin ribbon to tie it, and I've added two photographs over here with 3-dimension tape, and it opens like this and it closes like this, and I've used black trims on the sides, and this is the blue check from my own collection, and this is the red floral pattern. The next page is having two sheets for writing the messages, and these two photographs, all the photographs are standard size 4 by 6, and this is the white satin ribbon which I have used on the front as well. And for the next sheet I have used red satin ribbon for these two message tags or journaling tags, and this is the waterfall style which has got almost 5 to 7 photographs. These are all standard 4 by 6 photographs, and this is the EK Success border punch from EK Success, and this is the floral burst punch from EK Success. The next page is having flip over sheets, and these are two photographs. And this is the journaling tag over here, and this is the white satin ribbon. This small space for writing the message over here as well. I have used the pink base as it is matching with the background. I have used the black pattern from my collection. The next page is having a diagonal pocket with two large tags for writing messages or for pasting some pictures at the back, and she can write some messages over here. This is the cotton lace. Next page is similar to the last one. I have used the similar lace, and this is the diagonal pocket with two tags. These are the red tags for writing the messages, and this is a satin ribbon, red satin ribbon. The next page is having flip over cards, and these are all standard photographs with the flip over style, and these open like this. So these are a lot of photographs, almost 9 photographs over here. 6, 9 and 12 photographs, and this is space for writing messages, and this is the lace, beautiful lace I've used for the journaling space. So it closes like this, alternate closing over here. The next page is having a collage kind of thing, and it has got a lot of photographs with some trims, white laces and some black trims which I have also used in the front. I hope it is visible. So there are 6 photographs on these sheets, alternate sheets, and the next page is having 3 photographs and a journaling space. This is really simple, not very fun full are added in this scrapbook, but this is a basic photograph album. So next pattern is also having a gatefold style but no ribbon enclosure over here. I will be using a magnet enclosure for this thing, and this is a journaling space or writing the messages on these sheets as well. I've used a similar trim over here that I've used on the front page. This is also a collage kind of page with 3 photographs, and this is the die which I have also used in my cards. I will share that again, and I will put the brand name and the dies which I have used over here in the description box below. So next page is also having a card. This is tied by a ribbon, and this opens like this. It has got large journaling tags for writing the messages and 2 photographs over here. This is a card which I have recently made by using stamps. I hope it is visible for you guys. And this is the Lots of Love die from, I don't know name, I'll put its name on the description box below. This is the photograph over here. 6, this is 2, 4 and 5 photographs. This is the photograph over here with the brown base. This is the last sheet over here. This is the beautiful heart puncher from Martha Stewart, 3 photographs and a tag over here for writing the messages. So this is the back and this is the front. I have kept the front and back really simple because I have to parcel it far away. And this is the project. I hope you guys like it. Thank you very much. Keep on watching. Bye.